What is going on, guys? Thank you all for watching today's video. My name is Brob, and in today's video we will be talking about the latest news regarding Bitcoin and altcoins. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Let's get into it. So looking back at last video, I was saying that Bitcoin was likely to break to the upside. Looking at the 4-hour chart, you can actually see we had this nice double bottom pattern right here. You can see right here. And after that we had the retest of the neckline and we went up. If we look on the drawings I made last video, you can actually see I drew this. We had this double bottom, a retest, and then this was the ultimate target for the breakout. Right now, if we switch back to the daily, you can see that we are currently above the breakout target, which is very nice. So yeah, what now is in the books for Bitcoin? Let me remove these real quick. Yeah, what's in the book for Bitcoin? Bitcoin right now seems to be a lot stronger than when we were right here, which is very good for Bitcoin, of course. Right now you can see the next resistance is around 68.4k, which is quite a long way to go. It's like a 5k jump. And in my opinion, it's more likely that we will see something where Bitcoin, if we close above this level, we can see Bitcoin go straight to this level in like tomorrow or in like 2-3 days. And after that, probably a bit of consolidation between these two lines, maybe get a retest of this level and break down or break it to the upside. In my opinion, it's more likely we will probably see something like a test of this level, a bit of downside, like we have go up to here, we retest this level, make this support, and eventually start breaking this pattern, because there's a lot of bullish news in the market right now. As I said in my last video, in my opinion, we are still in a bull market, so we could expect the price to go up instead of down. So for that reason, yeah, I think it's more likely we might be breaking this level soon. And if we look at this other chart, looking at this one, we can see right here that's in line with this cup and handle pattern. You can see Bitcoin, like this was like 2022, the top of last bull run. We had some curve to the downside, very nice curve. And then we had this handle. In my opinion, this handle is not really looking like a handle yet. Maybe if we come up, it's a bit of a short handle, but the breakout target either way is massive. If we take this this line and put it up here, it could take us to 280k. In my opinion, it is likely. I mean, I don't think we're gonna hit 280k. I think, like I said, Bitcoin is gonna top around 175 to like 225k in my opinion. So more likely around here. But yeah, it's not gonna be like one straight line up. It's gonna take multiple months, and even then we might not even get to it. So why is Bitcoin pumping, you think? Well, if we look to the ETF inflows, you can see we had a massive 310 million inflow on July the 12th. Today is not clear yet what inflow or outflow we will see. In my opinion, I think it's very likely we see a big inflow today because the price has gone up. And also we have bullish news that the German government has offloaded all its Bitcoin. So they don't hold any more Bitcoin, so they can't sell more Bitcoin, which is very bullish because that's less sell pressure on the market. So that's very nice as well. Then looking at some altcoins, we can see that the meme coins are doing great today. We have Pepe like up 18%, Floki up 18.5%. These were up like 24-25% earlier today. Bitcoin like nice bump of 5.6%. We have most of the altcoins, I mean not really, like some are doing way better than Bitcoin, but most of the altcoins are actually doing average, like the same as Bitcoin. With GT, with Render, ETH, Phantom, Neo, Axie. They're all like doing same percentage wise as Bitcoin. We just have these so far these meme coins that are outperforming Bitcoin right now. So that's something to look out for. With Popcat up like 31%, which is huge for just one day. Looking on the weekly, looking on the monthly, you can see most of them are still down except these altcoins. They are doing great. Like I said, maybe Floki can get some more life into it, and maybe. Alright, so looking at the MVRVZ score, we can actually see that we are coming back up. If you look at this point, we went down. I told you in the last video we had the same amount of drop in the score as we had last time before massive run. If we look right here, if we zoom in, you can see that we are now ticking up. We went from 1.46 to 1.75. And it's quite funny to see that we hit the 1.46 level, and that was like the same as in January of 2024. And if we look at the price, we can actually see that the price is way higher than there. So this is January 2024, we were at 43k. Right now we are at 63k. So yeah, that's very nice to look out for as well. We went down quite low, but the price of Bitcoin didn't go that low, so that's very bullish. We have now more room to grow even if we start to go up here, so that's good. And lastly, looking at the Fear and Greed index, you can see that now we are currently in neutral. Yeah, we jumped quite fast back up from fear to neutral. This is a quite big jump from like going from 33 to 54 in like one day. So that's not very good to see, but then again, it's a bull market. So even this low at 33, it hasn't happened like in the last bull market. So I think the lowest in the last bull market was like 48. So we went significantly lower on the Fear and Greed index. So yeah, we'll see what this brings. For now, that was it about the Fear and Greed index. So yeah, what do I think is up for Bitcoin? As I said, we can probably see something like 68k in the near future if we break above this level. If we don't break above this level, in my opinion, it's more likely we see some consolidation. Like right here, we will see some consolidation before going up, and it will take us like a couple more days, maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks. But yeah, if we close above this level, I'm pretty sure we're gonna shoot towards 68k in like 2 days. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.